Just nope, nope. Just had to jump. Welcome back to a new episode of Laughing Tales, where we're laughing at hilarious animal antics. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, my hair's just wet because I just got out of the shower. And then let's get started here with the first one. Just give me 1 second. I don't even have it pulled up. Okay, here we go. Aw. Oh. Oh! Wow, that's a nice shot through. Oh. Just a little extra decoration. Oh my goodness. That's mine. Nope. Oh, gross. That look. What's that? Oh, Jesus, that's scary. Just letting it hit your tail, eh? Oh, yummy. Is that yummy? Oh my goodness. Oh, Modern Family. Oh. No. He's just having a ball. I think we've seen that one before, but that's okay. Repeats are always worth it, especially with animals. Okay, on to number 2. Okay, here's to the second one. Oh my goodness, look at that beagle. His head's bigger than his body. It's so cute. Oh. Oh, Jesus. I see where that's going. Just let me follow you. Aww. So cute. Oh, hello. Hello. And the other one. What's going on? Oh. I love when dogs try to use other dogs as like a seat. Aw. She just has to have a singing moment, that's all. Aw. Is that enjoyable? This is so cute. Oh. Hi. Oh, what's that? How is that happening? That's so cute. I love it. Aww. Just on the pool cover. Oh, I just realized that. Oh, the bathtub. Cute. Some dogs just love water. All of the dogs I've had growing up hate it. I think except our golden retriever. But most of them that I've had growing up hate them. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, and here's to the last one. Oh, just nope. Just had to jump. Oh, it's open. The dog doesn't realize the door's open. Oh, thinking it's closed. Oh. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? What is he doing? Oh. I didn't realize. Oh, there we go. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Jesus. Oh. I just realized the glass door's open and it's really... Oh, there we go. Oh. Up there. Oh. Just like the first one was a little, he was like, is it open? And then had to jump. That's funny. Okay, that is it for me. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and we'll chat soon. Bye now.